very, very famous poem which is written by Lao Tzu. If there has to be peace in the world, there has to be peace in the cities, and then peace in the neighbors, and then like that up to there has to be peace in the heart. So coming back to the global crisis, if a lot of people, more and more people in fact, start coming into the field of Reiki, so whether they're doing it for themselves or whether they're helping others, so it's not necessary that everyone has to become a healer, but if you just can heal yourself, and there's this big community of people that we have who is healing themselves, and if there's so much of peace inside of them, then automatically there is going to be peace in the world.
So gradually, it's like
Yeah, it's a slow and gradual process, of course, but then that's what I mean, that's what the world needs, a lot of healers.
So basically, what you were trying to say is that instead of going knocking at every door, it's better to you go inside and knock at your own door.
Yeah,
So
be
it
at
is
peace, and then once that happens, then you'll be able to help your family. Once that happens, you'll be able to help your friends and relatives and colleagues and business acquaintances, and then more and more people, and ultimately the world will be a better place,
But see,
peaceful place.
there's something you said there's some time back, and it's like it's really troubling my head now. It's like I have to clarify kind of now. You said Reiki chooses you. See, that's a very strong line. Reiki chooses you. So, as that means if I want to do Reiki, I'll not be able to do. I'll have to wait for the right time so that Reiki can choose me. Like, what does it mean? Like,
A person who wants to heal from inside, that okay, bus ho gaya, I just want to get out of this pain, or that inner calling that you have, that strong intuition that no, I want that strength in me to be able to overcome certain obstacles. So it could be obstacles at home with your loved ones, or something related to your career, or something related to your sport or business, or
so
anything.
Reiki comes to your rescue.
Yeah,
Is that
so
what it means?
yes, exactly, that is what. So
Okay,
when
that's
it comes from
interesting.
within, that हाँ मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये situation से बाहर आना है, heal होना है, automatically the energy is going to choose you. That is how it works.
So it's basically
Yeah, पर वो
comes.
अंदर से आनी चाहिए वो इच्छा कि नहीं, मुझे इससे बाहर आना है, I really want to. Yeah.
But there's some people now see they're in the vicious cycle, like they just have the cribbing wala thing, they're always anxious, they're always depressed, and they keep falling into that cycle again and again. Self-worth issues, self-love issues, stuff like that. So how would we know like that this is the issue that they are facing? Like, would you be, when the person comes to you, so are you able to, how do you diagnose that person? Okay, this is what that person actually requires. Like, I know Reiki would help you in some manner, but then how? Like, I can come randomly and I can ask you, fine, I want to learn Reiki, but would you know my problems? Like, for you to understand the problems that I am living without me having to say that. So, I mean, because I mean, not everybody is very comfortable in discussing their problems. Huh? So,
Yeah.
how does Reiki come into picture with that?
So there are some people who are very open as to what it is that they're going through and how they would like to be healed and what problem they want to heal from. And it's not always problem oriented. It's sometimes that people who have everything, they're very, very successful, they're the top performers, they could be actors, actresses, or sportsmen also, and sportswomen also. So what happens is that they have everything, but they would like to achieve more, they would like to unlock their complete potential, and they would be able to handle the success as well as the failure that comes at that high level in a very successful way. So even they approach to learn Reiki or to get healed. So sometimes people are like, I am not sure whether I'll be able to practice it, but if you give me a Reiki link music or any of your other products, like नजर लगना इशू होता है किसी का, सो रेकी ब्रेसलेट विच इज गोइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट देम, सो आप ये हमको दे दो एंड वी वुड लाइक टू यूज दैट. सो ऐसे भी सॉल्यूशंस आते हैं. बट कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन, so Reiki basically is used for two category of people: one who are going through problem, and other who don't have any problem but they would like to reach certain new heights in their life. तो लोग कभी कभी बात करते हैं, कभी कभी बात नहीं करते हैं. But the good part about Reiki is that when I do energy scanning, I can scan their aura and all their chakras, and I feel that okay, this particular chakra has a special or a specific emotional block, something that they've gone through maybe in the childhood or in their day-to-day life, in the current life, and that's got stuck in their chakra. So then immediately when I scan them, I know, and in fact I tell people that you don't have to tell me anything and you will be healed. You're most welcome to share the information with me, but it is not compulsory.
Because I've seen a couple of your videos like that you put on YouTube, in which you're specifically talking about aura. Like if a person has got purple aura, then what does it stand for? A person has a blue aura,
Yeah.
what does it stand for? Like, so I guess they're very educative. Like, so there's small bits and clips. Like there are a lot of videos,
Yeah.
like shorts that you put in.
Yeah,
That's
short
how people
videos.
call them these days. Like I guess. So yeah, we get to see them. I
Yeah.
guess we all of them we get to listen to so many things about the chakras, especially the chakra with the musical instruments. Like you
Mm.
should share the links in the description. Like this is
Yeah.
something very interesting that we should put in, I guess. So okay, fine. So I guess like Reiki can help
Yeah.
everyone at certain point of time and at certain level.
Yes.